How to schedule a shutdown in Windows 11. Hey guys, let's learn to auto shutdown in Windows 11. So first of all, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in Control Panel. Once the Control Panel is open, scroll down a bit and tap in Windows Tools. On this new tab, you will find an option called as Task Scheduler. Click on it and it will open a new tab. Hereby, you have to see on the right side and you will see the option of Create Basic Task. Click on it. After that, you will get a new interface. Here on the name, you can give it a name for auto shutdown or auto timer as you like. After that, you can give a description to your auto scheduler or task. Click on next, then you can schedule when do you want the task to start. That is daily, weekly, monthly, one time or different option. After selecting that, click on next. Now you can give your day, that is start time and the start date. Then click on next and select what action do you want to perform, that is a program, an email or display a message. Now tap on next. On this program, make sure that you write shutdown. And in the argument, you can write \s, t and \f. And after that, you can click on next. Restart your device once, and after that, if you sign in, it will then start your program and auto restart or auto shutdown at the timely basis. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.